What do you all like about Science Olympiad?
What is Science Olympiad?
Science Olympiad is a competitive team where 23 events take place over the period of one day in various science disciplines: earth and space, life, chemical and physical, engineering sciences, and it enables you to experience those sciences from a true hands-on perspective as opposed to just a academic or lecture-based experience.
What do you like about Science Olympiad?
I like that we actually get to participate in science compared to the classroom where you just passively take notes, where we are engaging in problem solving, participating in events such as chemistry and rocket building, and it's really just a way that we can create, innovate, and be ourselves.
Hello, I didn't see you there. I understand that you have some questions about Science Olympiad. Okay, I did geologic mapping, astronomy, and air trajectory. Air trajectory is an engineering event, and me and my friend Dan thought it would be fun to try and create and build, an air cannon, which, is obvious in its appeal because it's in the name. We also did astronomy and geologic mapping. Astronomy is cool. We both like, space is cool and physics is cool.
Why do you like Science Olympiad?
I like Science Olympiad because it gives me an opportunity to be with a bunch of people that have the same interests as me, because I'm like a huge science nerd, and so I get to be in a room full of people that are also science nerds like me, and I also get to compete with them, and it's just a really fun experience.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I like Science Olympiad. I like winning. Spending time with other smart people, and I'm smart. And Chrissy's hitting on my boyfriend right now. I don't like this. Get your hands off.
No. How has Science Olympiad benefited you?
Science Olympiad has benefited me by giving me an advantage in every science course that I am taking and will take. It will help me get into and succeed in AP classes.
What events did you take and why did you take them?
I took the events Anatomy and Disease Detectives because I one day want to be a doctor, and that really helps me achieve my goals and become better in the process. And I really like learning about the human body and how it works and what's really inside of me. And I took Disease Detectives because it's really interesting to learn about all the diseases and how they're spreading and what's really happening in the world around me.
Third event that me and my partner Dan did was geologic mapping, which is basically a lot about geography, geology, tectonic plates, and a little bit about fossils and the different rock layers, which we had absolutely no experience in at all. We kind of just we only had 2 events at that point, so we thought we should probably fill another one unless we want to be waiting around most of the meets. So we did it, and we actually did fairly well. We got the 3rd place or 4th place in our first meet for it, and we actually, at region, we got 2nd place for it. So in Science Olympiad, you don't really need to have experience or be intelligent in a specific subject to do well in it. All you just got to do is be willing to put in a little bit of time. It doesn't take too much, and you'll never know, like, you'll be surprised what you find that you're good at.
Question was about I'm confused.
What do you like about Science Olympiad?
Science Olympiad.